Hello there YouTubes, and how is everybody today on this, what is quite honestly a bloody miserable day. I was going to go for a ride today, but it is raining and blowing, so that's not going to happen. However, most importantly, and the most important thing in this workshop, or the driveway to come to think of it, the trusty rusty thing of beauty that is the 250 RS, which is filthy. It needs a clean. I really need to clean it. I was out the other day on it and it got minging. I'll just give you a quick look over it. Oh, look at that. Oh, sheepskin seat cover, which was a hat. I'm sure some of you have seen that video. However, the most important thing today, and the reason for this video is, look at that. Friend of mine and friend of the channel, my meager channel, with 165 viewers as of this morning. Thank you everybody if you're one of those. You're mental, obviously, but aren't we all? T-shirt, trusty rusty thing of beauty, RSing about since 1982. Look at that. Now that photo was when I collected the bike from Penrith up in the Lake District, and that was taken at the top of Shap on the A66, I think it is, someone can correct me, with the old fairing, which I might well put back on. But yeah, T-shirt, look at that. Hey, cheers Gibbo, you're an absolute star. Yeah, I was going to do an unveil today where I pulled up in a lay-by or something and then unzipped my jacket to reveal the T-shirt, but the weather's so shite and I wanted to get this online, so just a very quick video. So thank you, that is very, very much appreciated. And while I'm on the chat of the channel and what have you, I've done a video of my workshop and it's due to go live in a couple of days, but I'm not sure about it. Do people really want to see the shite I've got in here? If you do, post a comment, yes or no, because I'm half tempted to delete it, if I'm honest. I mean, I like looking around other people's workshops and seeing what tools and stuff they've got, but I'm not too sure. But anyway, let me know yes or no, and I'll either delete it or I'll leave it on. Oh, poor multi-stride have been used as a clothes rack still. Right, anyway, have a good day everybody. If you're riding, stay safe. If you're not riding, watch crap videos like this on YouTube. And I will see you on the next adventure with a thing of beauty that is the 250 RS. Take care everyone, catch up soon.